Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my distinct honor to introduce to you our esteemed guest of honor and speaker, none other than Dr. Ariel Villar. With a career dedicated to the advancement of education, Dr. Villar embodies the very essence of our theme, Filipino youth for a stronger future of the new Philippines through excellent, holistic education. Dr. Villar completed his master's degree, major in English Language Arts in 2008, and his doctorate degree in reading education from the Philippine National University 2017. His passion for education and commitment for excellence have been recognized through numerous teaching awards, including Outstanding Secondary Teacher in 2008 and receiving the prestigious Outstanding Young Employee of Marikina City in 2009. He has also received citations from DepEd and CR, such as Gawad Primero for Customer Champion and ISO Internal Audit Awards. Currently serving as education or educator program supervisor for the School Governance and Operation Division in Caloocan City. Beyond his supervisory roles, Dr. Villar is a distinguished lecturer and professor teaching thesis seminar in the graduate school. He is also a demonstration teacher in various approaches to language and reading education at local and international levels. Moreover, he is an accomplished author for St. Pierre Publishing House and a dedicated learner for academic competitions. Dr. Villar's experience and unwavering commitment to holistic education make him the perfect speaker to inspire our young competitors and graduates of Holy Redeemer School of Caloocan as they